Should you seal the toilet base with silicone or grout, and why? Seal the base with both. Use grout first to shim and secure the toilet, then finish with a bead of clear silicone to waterproof and provide a clean, stain-resistant finish. Start by removing the toilet if it wobbles or the flange is uneven. You cannot properly shim or grout a toilet that is not seated level. Mix a non-shrinking tile grout to a peanut butter consistency and apply it around the flange perimeter under the base to fill voids and lift low spots. This stabilizes the bowl and prevents rocking that breaks wax rings. After the grout cures fully, follow the manufacturer cure time. Run a bead of clear silicone at the base outside the grout line. Smooth with a wet finger for a thin, continuous seal that sheds water and resists discoloration. Use only clear silicone for best aesthetics and stain resistance, so small drips and dust are less visible and cleaning is easier. When tooling the silicone, keep it below the cabinet line and avoid smearing onto floor finishes. Wipe excess with isopropyl alcohol before it skins over. If you must remove silicone later, cut it carefully with a razor and use a solvent approved by the silicone manufacturer to avoid damaging floor finishes. Common mistakes include relying only on silicone to stabilize a loose toilet, which allows movement and eventual wax ring failure. If the bowl rocks, grout or composite shims first, and then seal with silicone to prevent water intrusion. Another issue is using colored or latex caulk that stains or shrinks, leaving gaps. Choose clear silicone designed for sanitary use and allow full cure before exposure to water. A third concern is overfilling with grout, so the toilet sits high and rocks on the flange rather than the bowl. Remove excess grout, seat the toilet carefully, and confirm even contact around the base before the grout sets. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to discuss projects, trade tips, and ask practical questions about tasks like toilet base waterproofing. We help contractors find work while our discussion community lets users share experiences and get peer feedback.